Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Erenmols, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Òfún Méjì departs for Earth. In the heavens, he was called Òragún Déyìn Ẹkùn. As he contemplated his descent to Earth, it was said of him that he was very temperamental and harsh. His guardian angel told him that if he didn't do something to soften his bad temper, he would not fare well on Earth. So he decided to seek divination and went to consult a diviner who had no limbs. Her name was Ugbin Èenọ, Èenòṣé Ejò Kòdù Kòdù, which means the snail has no arms or legs. The snake moves upon its belly. She advised Òragún Déyìn Ẹkùn to offer sacrifice in order to prosper on Earth, because he was destined to be a man of many good qualities, as long as he could control his temper. She recommended that he serve his Ifa with 16 cowries, which would soften and temper his aggressiveness. She also advised him to serve Èṣù with a goat. He performed the sacrifices and received the approval of Olódùmarè, God, and of his guardian angel before departing for Earth.